Namaskar, I'm Supriya Bhattacharyya, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Soy Balchao Masala. And first of all, you have to know the benefits of the soy chunks. The soy chunks is a rich source of the protein and which prevents the cardiovascular diseases, and it helps to the blood circulation and the bone structure. So for the making Soy Balchao, I'll show you the ingredients in front of which is there in front of me. So this is a whole chili and the whole garlic, cinnamon stick, the whole jeera and some onions, some clove, the cardamom, black pepper, ginger is there. So what you have to do, first you have to soak the soybean into the hot water, and when it will be fully absorbed, the water will be absorbed. We have to blend it in a toddy vinegar, and we will cook the soybean in that masala. So this is the masala which will come out after the paste. This is called the peri peri masala. At least 30 minutes along with some spices. So like powder spices, and your meal will be ready. So enjoy your meal, and we'll come up with a new recipe.